Good afternoon, learners. So today I will be discussing mathematics with you. So this topic for mathematics is trigonometry. So I'll be doing trigonometry with you guys. So as all of you know that trigonometry is part of grade 12 mathematics. It is important for you to be able to answer the questions that are based on this topic. So the very first time you guys did trigonometry was from, I think, grade 10 until grade 12. So today I'll be dealing with grade 12 trigonometry. So the topic will be based on compound angle formula and double angles. But then for this part now, I'll be doing compound angles. So a lot of students or learners that I've been tutoring, they always ask me why they have to know mathematics at school, because of like ba bone batho ba bangata ha ba fetsa sekolo ba phesiwa different degrees ba se ba etsa mathematics, and then they feel like mathematics is useless and stuff. So mathematics o gotlhe mo lifeng, everything so se etsa mo lifeng ke mathematics, but then how le o ka se gone go nna aware gore ke mathematics. And then the other degrees or other professions tse batho ba di choosang di involve maths, but o se gone go lemoga gore ke maths. For example, if you choose you want to study medicine, for example, when you do medicine, there's mathematics there. You have to know mathematics because epidemiologists or medical doctors who study about diseases, how diseases are spread and stuff, they use mathematics to try and check the rate at which those diseases are transmitted among people. So for example, they use statistics as one of the topic. So that's why mathematics will be. Sometimes even in engineering, they use trigonometry, especially civil engineering, whereby they construct bridges. So they try to measure those angles that are required to build a stable bridge. So today I'll be discussing trigonometry with you guys. So these are the 4 compound angle formulae that we have to know and then be able to apply them in everything you do concerning the questions that are based on trigonometry. So the first double angle formula is sine A minus B. So this compound angle formula is very important for we expand, because of when we expand so that we can solve each and every problem and involve this compound angle. So when you expand this compound angle, sine A cos B, and then we have minus here in the middle, so it's going to be minus cos A sin B. So now we have sin A and sin B because of we have A and B, and then we have cos B and then cos A because of we have A and B. So it's important to correctly because of it will be useful. The problems based on this compound angle formula. Another one is sin A plus B. So now we expand, that is going to be sin A cos B, and then we have plus, so it's going to be plus cos A sin B. So can will be the A. And then we have the compound angle for cos. So this one is going to be different from this one of sine. So when we expand cos A minus B in na cos A cos B, and then since we have a minus here, so it's going to change and become plus, and then we have sin A sin B. So you can see iba cos sin for cos compound angle, and then for cos A plus B about cos A cos B, and then we have plus, so we're going to change even na minus, so na minus sin A sin B. So these four compound angle formulas are very important, so you have to know them and how to expand so that you can be able to apply them in questions, in different questions. So I have examples on this other side of the whiteboard, so I'm going to try and apply these compound angle formulae in these questions. So the first example, we are given cos x minus 40. So the question here, expand using the compound angle formulae. So we have to expand this cos x minus 40 degrees using the compound angle formulae. So that means you have to choose the appropriate formula in order to expand this question we have been given. So since while we have cos here, it means we have to use the compound angle formula and cos because of we are given cos. And then after that, we are going to look at the sign of our angle. So the sign of our angle is negative, and then we are given cos. So it means we'll be focusing in these two compound angle formula. So the appropriate one is this one, of course, A minus B, because of we've been given minus and cos. So this one is the appropriate one, which is number 3, the compound angle number 3. So we're going to use it to try and expand this thing. So this x represents A, this 40 degrees represents B. So it means when we expand it, it's going to be cos x cos 40 degrees, but then since while you have a negative, it's going to be plus, and then we have sin x sin 40 degrees. So as you can see, we had A and B because of naganale A and B. So more naganale x and 40. So it means the more naganale x and 40, x and 40. So so the second question, yare expand sin 10 plus b. So we're going to choose the correct compound angle formula from this side. So it means here sign because we're given sign, and then the sign is positive. So it means we're going to choose this one because we have sign, we have positive, we have sign, we have positive. So our expander in the same thing. It means our represent our A and B, what we are given here. So our expander on now sine 10 degrees cos B, and then plus cos 10 degrees sine of B. So the way we expand Nangati. And then another question says simplify to a one term. So we have to simplify these questions that we've been given. So the first one, Yari, cos 2x multiplied by cos 3x minus sin 2x multiplied by sin 3x. So we have to simplify it to one term. So how level simply we track question? We have sine, so we have sine, I mean cos, we have cos, and then on this side we have sine, so it means ke compound angle formula ya cos, sine. So ra shebella ka mo gore e nna yang. So it means keep this moyatsi. So tshwantse track gore ke efe mo gotse. Why ke ke moyatsi? Because of the totally cos, sine, cos, sine. All of them they are cos, sine. But then now direct to again get this sine e mo gare ga yone. So we always know that if this sign is negative, it means before it became negative, it was positive before this compound angle expanded. So it means we have to have something like negative. Shrink, reduce, back to this form. That's what they simplify to one term. So it means cos into, because of cos, there's again cos, it's again cos, sine. So we have two angles, we have 2x and 3x. So it means we had 2x more, and then one another 3x. So let's talk about last sign. You're gonna say now one. So this is inside that one negative. So that means before I can negative and before I expand to in a positive. So it means one positive. So when this thing in revisit back to its original state. So how we expand now na song. How about in na song? And then another question, it says simplify sin 3x cos x minus cos 3x sin x. So we have sine, cos, sine. So it means focus because of one sine nearly cos. I say cos, focus. It means we're going to move to these two compound angle formulas that involve sine, cos, sine. So we are going to focus on this sine so that we're going to guide before it became expanded like this in the NTLAMZA'S. So we agree with the sign here, right? So we are going to write sine here, and then our angles was 3x and x, so it equal 3x and x. So because of for sine, how we expand the sign and give a change, so it means this sign was here, So re reduce it in expand, so re reduce it. So if we expand again, we'll choose the correct compound angle formula, which is this one. We expand like this, again in this form. Thank you.